Using your Amazon Prime Visa at restaurants is a convenient way to earn rewards and enjoy exclusive benefits. To get started, first ensure you have an Amazon Prime membership in the Amazon Prime Visa card. This card offers 5% back on Amazon purchases, 2% back at gas stations, restaurants, and drugstores, and 1% back on all other purchases. To use your Amazon Prime Visa at a restaurant, begin by checking if the restaurant accepts Visa cards. You can usually find this information on the restaurant's website or by calling them directly. Next, inform your server that you will be paying with a credit card and specify that you have a Visa card. When the server brings the check, let them know you are ready to pay and provide your Amazon Prime Visa card. The server will then process the payment and ask for your signature to confirm the transaction. Be sure to review the receipt carefully to ensure the correct amount was charged and that you received any applicable rewards or discounts. As an Amazon Prime member, you can also earn additional rewards by using your Amazon Prime Visa card at restaurants. For example, you can earn 2% back on dining purchases, which can be redeemed for cash back, gift cards, or other rewards. To maximize your rewards, consider using your Amazon Prime Visa card for all your dining purchases. Another benefit of using your Amazon Prime Visa at restaurants is the purchase protection and travel insurance that comes with the card. This can provide added peace of mind when dining out, especially when traveling or making large purchases. To take advantage of these benefits, be sure to review the terms and conditions of your Amazon Prime Visa card and understand what is covered. In summary, using your Amazon Prime Visa at restaurants is a straightforward process that can help you earn rewards and enjoy exclusive benefits. By following these steps and taking advantage of the rewards and benefits offered by your Amazon Prime Visa card, you can make the most of your dining experiences and enjoy the convenience and value that comes with being an Amazon Prime member.